I'd like to show you a playful pop gift wrapping idea. Prepare 2 colors of paper. The width of the main paper overlaps by about half an inch. The height of the paper covers a little over half of the bottom and top. The secondary paper height is same as the main paper. The width is a little wider than the box side. Prepare 2. Place the box face down. Align the right edge of the paper with the center of the box. Cover the paper tightly. Make a crease on the right edge. Then also the next one. Cover the other side just as well. Close it with the right side on top for celebration in Japanese style. Secure with regular tape. Fold one edge of the secondary paper. Place it just slightly inward along the edge of the box. Then fold the other edge like this. Fold the other secondary paper to the same width. Make sure the box is in center. Attach double-sided tape to the center of both edges of the box. Place the secondary paper, making sure all 4 edges are aligned. The other side as well. Face up the closed side. Fold the top down with the 2 pieces of paper together. Fold each corner all the way in. Fold both sides of the main paper inward. Make sure to create clean creases. Cut the secondary paper at the point as shown. Fold the secondary paper along the tab on the main paper. Apply double-sided tape and close. Attach firmly. Make sharp corners. Continue folding the top in the same way, but easier to stand it up. Fold the corners inward completely, making sure the folds are neat and sharp. Place it down like this, then cut off the extra part and close the same way as the bottom. Attach it securely and finish all corners sharp. Let's add the ribbon. Make a loop and tail at the right end, then release at the point. Place a point in the center like this. Hold the point and wrap the ribbon to the front, then to the back, and then back up. At the center point, turn it corner to the left. Hold down the point tightly and wrap the ribbon to the left. Then bring it back on top. Wrap it tightly. Take the short end on the right across over the cross point and pass under it. Then pull it out towards the top right corner. Tie firmly in the center. Use the left side ribbon to make a loop towards the top right. Wrap the short end ribbon over the loop. Fold the front slightly. Then push it into this hole and pull it out to the left. Pull both loops to tighten the knot. To tighten, pull out the top of the left loop and the bottom of the right loop. Adjust the bow neatly. Trim each tail. You can create it with your preferred color combination.